Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this lovely product which was on request for the review and the unboxing. I've already done it because I've already used this product, and there was a request for me for the review, and that's why I'm making this product review. This is a Lash Natural Sunscreen Hydrogel, which is of a 50 plus SPF, and this is a sun protection sensitive to oily skin. So this is one of the sunscreen which I've come across, which doesn't act just like sunscreen. It is way far better than those. I love the consistency and the performance of the product a lot. The packaging looks pretty decent and pretty intact. The pricing of it, as you can see, is 265 rupees, and all the properties of it are being mentioned here very clearly. Yeah, this is all about the product, the outer product, and there are two coverings, the two protection. One is the proper lid, main lid, and they have also given the other lid, the small lid, for the better protection. And this is a squeeze bottle, like you can see here. I'll just squeeze off the content for you, and this is the sunscreen. Like you can see, the consistency is just like any other cream. It's not that thick like other sunscreens, and it is very much glidable and doesn't leave a layered texture. Usually we see sunscreens leaving one kind of a texture, but this doesn't leave, and this belongs one among your skin, which is the best part in it, and it work very easily and nicely. So this is about the product, which I love it, and I've been using this from quite a while. I love this product, and this is very light to carry. Your skin feels amazingly fresh, amazingly hydrated, and doesn't feel that heaviness. This is amazing, and this was my review on this product. If you have liked this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected. I shall be back with another review very soon. Until then, take care of your health, stay happy, stay blessed, and bye.